What are you doing?
Down.
Huh? What you doing with the box there and sitting? Lily, what are you doing? Oh, you're just sitting on the box? It is funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you counting the boxes? Yeah? 2, huh? There's 2 boxes?
2 boxes.
How many are there? 2, 3? Oh, okay. It's a lot of boxes. Yeah. Are you sitting there? What you doing with them? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. We gotta put them together, don't we? Oh. Oh, what you got? It is a box. Yeah. We haven't put them together yet. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. What do you see? What do you see outside? Swing, huh? Is your swing outside? Yeah. Yeah. It is.
It's broke.
Oh, it's broke? Oh, well, we gotta fix it, don't we?
It's broke.
It's broke?
She broke.
Swing broke?
It's
Oh,
broke.
should we fix it so you can swing? Huh? Should we fix it? You wanna go swing outside? Well, you can't swing without your shoes on. You gotta put your shoes on. Yeah. 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 Get your shoes on. You fix it? Oh, fix it. Okay. Oh, you want me to help you? Okay. Let's put your shoes on. Okay. Oops. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. You're gonna go swing outside? Swing. Okay. What do you say? Okay.